Hello friends, as the part of our project based learning, that is PBL, or the practical purpose of solid waste management subject, we are going to learn how to prepare the compost at home by using the vegetable waste or the kitchen waste. For better understanding of composting and the solid waste management, during this lockdown, we can conduct a simple project like this to convert the vegetable waste or organic waste into the compost. This small project will take 30 to 50 days for the completion. Let's see the procedure of preparing the compost at home. For that, first we need to store some vegetable waste or the organic waste generated in our kitchens for 1 or 2 days. In the video, you can clearly see that the waste we have measured is approximately near about 1 kg. In the form of kitchen waste, we are having watermelon peels, mango peels, and the taro leaf stems. In Marathi, we call it as Adu Vadicha Panachi Det, and some green chili stems. Some of you definitely don't like whatever I'm shooting because we are handling the waste and we need to understand the terminology behind the waste management and the waste. For that, first we need to understand the definition of solid waste. The solid waste is organic or inorganic waste material which is produced in a society which do not generally carry any value to the first user. This is the definition of solid waste. After this definition, we have clearly understood what is the meaning of solid waste. The preparation of compost, it can be considered as best practice in the disposal of the solid waste. Now we are having some kitchen waste. We can compost it as it is, but it will take larger amount of time and also it will require large quantity of soil. The conventional method of composting will take 60 to 90 days of time because of the moisture present in the waste and the size of the particle or size of the waste. So, in our method, what we are going to do, we are going to cut down the watermelon and larger size of waste into the smaller pieces and then we'll grind that waste into the mixer to reduce its particle size or will convert it into the finer paste. Now, definitely, some of you are thinking why I am doing so. So, the reason behind converting the waste into the finer paste is that smaller the size of the particle or finer the particle, it will be easy for the bacteria to decompose it in a faster manner. Now, you can see our paste is ready. There is ample amount of moisture present in it, so there is no need to add extra water while grinding. Now in video you can see that I have prepared one hanging bamboo basket for the preparation of compost. This is again one of the example of solid waste management or you can say a jugaad. Again there is a scientific reason behind selecting this bamboo basket for the preparation of compost. During the composting process, the composting pile always requires good amount of air circulation. So this bamboo basket is having larger spacing, gaps or voids which will circulate the air throughout the compost pile. Now we are going to take out all the soil in the bamboo basket on the plastic sheet and will remove all the lumps present in it. Now in video you can see in my hand I am having the larger piece of soil or like a stone. This is the piece of dry vermicompost which will act as a catalyst in our composting process. Now we are going to break this piece and make it uniform like a soil. This vermicompost will inject the perfect type of bacteria in that soil which will accelerate the process of decomposition or which will accelerate the process of preparation of compost. In case if you are not having vermicompost or any kind of compost at home, you can use 1 cup of curd or 1 cup of buttermilk. Now you can see we have divided this soil in two parts. In one part of soil, we are going to add the paste which we have prepared already, and one part we are going to use as a cover material. Now, this is the time when we are going to add the paste into the soil and mix it thoroughly. So, it will prepare perfectly homogeneous mix. Now, you need to understand why I am focusing on this mixing part because if the paste remain as it is in the soil, it will produce the odor after some days. It will attract the rodent flies or it will produce the vermins or worms in our compost pile. Now it is time to add this soil or compost mix in our bamboo basket. For that, first we'll add or sprinkle some dry soil at the bottom. Then we will add our compost mix and again sprinkle some dry soil on it. Once we have placed all the composting material in the bamboo basket, we are going to cover the bamboo basket or composting pile with the dry soil properly. If you are going to use this method at your home for preparation of compost, don't forget to use dry soil or dry sawdust or dry cocoa peat powder as a covering material or the mixing material in the waste paste. Because with air circulation, moisture content and water content is also the important factor in the composting process. If our compost pile is having the larger amount of water in it, it will arise the anaerobic condition and produce the odor. This way, our bamboo basket or the compost pile is ready to hang for next 30 days. I am going to hang this bamboo basket in sunlight on open air and I am going to add some amount of water whenever it is required. The one more important thing, we are going to observe this compost pile every day. Someday we have to turn this pile to reduce the temperature of it. Someday we have to add some quantity of water in it. Someday we have to check this for the production of vermins. So this is all about the composting by using the kitchen waste or vegetable waste. I will come up with the next update soon.